So this is how you fix a broken drone after it crashed. It had a major crash. Yeah, it's not a minor crash, it's a major one. It just flew like that. Strong impact against the tree, just like that. No hesitation. This is a drone, this is the tree, and then it just like that. Like that. Hit just like that. And it was low, it's not even high and near, so it was a little bit dim, it was dark, so I don't blame him for that. Anyway, it's his drone, not mine, but what's yours is mine, so it's also mine. Yes. It's a lovely day. Where's the damage? Show me. Where is it? Oh my gosh, you really broke it. Here it is again, guys, how it crashed. Look. Boom.
So now we're gonna glue it. I think I need your help.
We got this one from Eula. This is 99 kroner, about something like $9-10 US dollars. So it's a super glue or super glue that uses UV light to dry it. Glue that cures with UV light, just like what the dentists use. So you need only 5 seconds. So let's see if it works. Okay, you know, we wish to fly today. It's so sunny, the weather is so good. So this is it. It's very cheap compared to other glue that uses UV light. Look now here, everybody has masks. I'm not used to it. Everybody wears masks. Even kids. Everybody's out. Everybody feels safe with mask on. It's like I'm not in Norway, yeah, with all these people wearing masks. See? Nice. Everybody tries to be safe.
This is Maria, right? I just hold it correctly. You're gonna put laser on this. I'm gonna hold it. I put glue already. So now.
So how I do it? Just push?
Yeah, wait. Okay, do now.
Where? What? It should work in 5 seconds.
Don't touch. No.
I think you need to put glue here too.
I put it in glue. Wait.
You need to put again. You need to put again. It's already like after 5 seconds, already like done.
Closer.
Otherwise you have to buy a new drone, and it's not cheap.
Maybe you have 4.
Huh?
Maybe you have 4.
No, I'm not arm, not the whole wing. You have only propeller. Now I'm gonna record. So it's the glue that bonds. So we hope for the best. My role is just to take video. I'm a videographer. Maybe you should vlog, just you. Because you're lucky. Other guys, other husbands would be happy to have a camera woman, a wife who loves to take videos. I'll be your cameraman. I like to take videos. And bog. Nice light. It's purple. Did you put glue again?
And I just go around now.
Mr. Whitey.
I'm putting around now.
I hope it works.
Yeah.
Or we're gonna find everything in pieces on the ground if it doesn't work. Can you imagine? Oh my god, that's the best. Oh, people buying a lot of stuff in Eula.
Huh?
You tried your best? Huh?
Yeah. I don't know if it's enough.
Yeah, we try again. We buy another glue.
Can I read about how she's supposed to do that?
Yeah, it's very simple. I read it.
Hey, not PP, PE.
What to be?
It's probably the same what is one of them.
Can I have the glue again? Just the glue. So this is supposed to work to dry in 5 seconds. So it's really good.
I need directions where we're going.
I gave you the address. Share, Post Park, Share, something like that. So you put the glue, use the UV light, and wait for 5 seconds. So fast. But for us, it didn't take 5 seconds because we didn't do it properly. But the second time, he did well, and I hope it works. Alright, so we don't need to buy a new drone. And now we go to a certain location that I hope you're gonna like. We'll try to fly, and it's gonna be a yeah, that's the place. So we're gonna try if the drone has been repaired. So next time maybe be more careful. So this is where we're going now. I'm excited to haven't been there. I saw it on the internet, on the website of Festival, where you can visit. My goodness gracious. So that's a nice school, Kokuro Skula in Sandefjord. You see, it's winter now, but the road is very nice, very clean, and soon gonna be spring. Not really soon, but the weather is perfect. So people like to go out, like us.